Welcome to this video on Microsoft Entra ID, Real-World Security Incidents. We will dissect the anatomy of breaches and reverse engineer sophisticated attacks to fortify your enterprise defenses. Are you confident your Entra ID is impenetrable? Think again. The latest sophisticated attacks are coming for everyone, and if you are not implementing specific, nuanced configurations, you are leaving the door wide open. We will dissect the anatomy of defense by reviewing the silent intruder, privilege escalation, fortifying defenses, and future-proofing. In this case study, we examine how a marketing intern's compromised credentials led to a full domain takeover. The attacker bypassed MFA due to a legacy, trusted IP exemption, enumerated the directory, and exploited excessive permissions for lateral movement. The attack chain typically involves initial access through credential stuffing, persistence via a rogue application, lateral movement from cloud to on-prem, and finally, privilege escalation. Let's expose privilege escalation, focusing on pass-the-hash and Kerberoasting techniques specifically targeting Entra ID synced environments. Pass-the-hash involves stealing hashed credentials, often leading to compromise of the Entra Connect server in hybrid environments. Kerberoasting targets service accounts to crack passwords offline, potentially granting admin privileges in cloud apps. The weakest link is often the misconfigured Azure AD Connect server. Gaining local admin access here allows attackers to extract MSOL account credentials, impersonate the sync service, and bypass cloud security controls. To patch these gaps, you must secure AD Connect as a Tier 0 asset and monitor logs. Use separate cloud-only global admin accounts, audit service principals, and implement privileged identity management for just-in-time access. Credential stuffing and phishing remain significant threats. Modern Phishing 2.0 uses reverse proxies to steal session tokens, bypassing traditional MFA. Your users are the perimeter, and their vigilance is crucial. While MFA dramatically reduces the success rate of large-scale stuffing attacks, sophisticated phishing still gets through. This highlights the urgent need for phishing-resistant MFA. To counter evolving tactics, deploy FIDO2 keys for phishing resistance, enforce number matching in Authenticator to prevent MFA fatigue, and utilize Smart Lockout to protect against brute force attacks. Now, let's explore proactive Entra ID security strategies that go beyond the basics, focusing on fortifying your defenses. Conditional access goes beyond simple MFA. Implement granular control using signals like user risk and device compliance for real-time decisions. Enforce device trust to block access from non-compliant devices, even if credentials are stolen. Identity protection leverages machine learning on billions of signals. By automatically remediating high and medium risk sign-ins and users, organizations can save thousands of SOC hours. Looking ahead, Zero Trust 2.0 will introduce continuous access evaluation. AI-driven defense via Security Copilot will automate 90% of routine alerts. Decentralized identity will shift ownership back to the user with verifiable credentials. In summary, our final call to action is threefold. Audit your admins and connectors, enforce phishing-resistant MFA, and enable identity protection. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or would like to discuss securing your specific environment, please reach out via the provided email.